The idea of becoming a millionaire is often associated with high-paying careers, investments, or entrepreneurial ventures. It is not often that one considers a plumber as a potential millionaire. This perception is quite understandable, considering that plumbing is primarily seen as a blue-collar job, often associated with long hours and labor-intensive tasks. However, in this in-depth analysis, we will explore the potential for wealth creation in the plumbing industry and demonstrate that it is indeed possible for a plumber to become a millionaire. The plumbing industry, opportunities and challenges. The demand for plumbing services. Plumbing services are essential to modern society as they are needed in every residential and commercial building to ensure the proper functioning of water systems and sanitation facilities. With the ever-growing global population and increasing urbanization, the demand for plumbing services is expected to rise significantly in the coming years. This demand creates a lucrative market for plumbers, which can translate into substantial financial gains for those who excel in their trade. Challenges in the industry. Despite the potential for wealth creation, the plumbing industry is not without its challenges. Plumbers often have to deal with physically demanding tasks, unfavorable working conditions, and the need to be available during off hours for emergency calls. Additionally, competition in the industry can be fierce, with many plumbers vying for the same clients. To overcome these challenges and achieve financial success, plumbers must be skilled and adaptable, investing in ongoing professional development and embracing new technologies and techniques in their work. Financial strategies for plumbers, business ownership. One of the most effective ways for a plumber to achieve millionaire status is through owning and growing a successful plumbing business. A well-run plumbing business can generate significant revenue, particularly if it expands to serve a larger client base or diversifies into related services, such as HVAC or electrical work. To achieve this level of success, plumbers must develop strong business acumen, focusing on areas such as marketing, financial management, and customer service. Investing in a skilled and reliable team is also critical, as it allows the business owner to delegate tasks and focus on strategic growth initiatives. Franchising, another option for plumbers to create wealth, is through investing in a plumbing franchise. Franchising offers a proven business model, brand recognition, and support from the parent company, which can significantly reduce the risks associated with starting a business from scratch. While the initial investment can be substantial, successful franchisees can generate significant returns and build equity in their businesses. Additionally, as the business grows, the franchisee may have the opportunity to open multiple locations, further increasing their income potential. Investment in real estate plumbers can leverage their skills and industry knowledge to invest in real estate, particularly in properties that require plumbing upgrades or repairs. By identifying undervalued properties in need of renovation, plumbers can purchase, upgrade, and sell these properties at a profit. Moreover, with a strong understanding of local building codes and regulations, plumbers can more accurately assess potential investment opportunities and make informed decisions. Investing in real estate can provide a lucrative supplementary income or even become a primary source of wealth for plumbers who excel in this area. Financial planning and investments. Like anyone else, a plumber can accumulate wealth by practicing sound financial planning and making smart investments. This involves living within one's means, saving a portion of earnings, and investing in a diversified portfolio of assets such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. To optimize their financial strategy, plumbers can work with a financial advisor or planner to establish clear financial goals and develop a tailored investment plan. By consistently saving and investing over time, it is entirely possible for a plumber to amass a significant amount of wealth, eventually achieving millionaire status. The key to success in this area is discipline, patience, and a commitment to making informed financial decisions that align with one's long-term objectives. Networking and industry connections. Building a strong professional network. For plumbers looking to build wealth, cultivating a strong professional network is crucial. By connecting with other professionals in the industry, such as contractors, suppliers, and other tradespeople, plumbers can increase their visibility and access to new business opportunities. Additionally, a robust professional network can serve as a valuable resource for knowledge, sharing, and skill development, helping plumbers stay ahead of industry trends and maintain a